How to start day trading in 30 days. In today's video, I'll cover the exact steps I'll take if I had to start trading all over again. I'll explain how I do it in 30 days, starting on day 1, because if I'm starting from scratch, I want to learn how to make money quickly, but also efficiently. Even if you don't know a single thing about trading, I'll share what I do if I was just getting started. So once you're done with this video, you'll have an idea where to begin your trading career. And if we're on the same page here, let's start by hitting that like button, even subscribe to our channel for more trading videos like this. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Vu and I've been full-time traders now for 3 years. I used to work as an engineer back in California, but the 9-to-5 commute to the office lifestyle put such a strain on me and my family that I needed a way out. Then I found trading and I jumped right in. When I first started, I almost gave up after falling into the trap of fake gurus showing off their nice car and extravagant lifestyle, selling me a costly dream without any real trading education. I had to learn my lessons the hard way, but you don't have to. I started this channel to show you real strategies and the psychology behind why I use them. Now, I run a thriving exit for profit community and everyone has a common goal. So here we go. Here's how I would become a day trader in 30 days. Week 1. Focus on the education. Congratulations, you're watching this video, which means you've already taken the first step and you're willing to learn from other traders. When I first started, I took 4 online trading courses before I felt confident enough to trade in the market. Trading isn't something you can pick up and start. If you're serious, you need to invest your time and money if you want to make money. Think about it like investing in yourself. Watching YouTube videos is a great place to start, and reading trading books such as Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, Technical Analysis of the Financial Market by John Murphy, or even The Daily Trading Coach by Brett Steensberger will offer valuable insights and knowledge from experienced traders. Reading books can help new traders understand the basic principles of trading as well as gain insights into the psychology behind trading. Books can provide a more in-depth analysis of trading strategies and techniques, which can help traders develop their own unique trading style. But in my humble opinion, the most effective way to educate yourself to trade is to take online courses and learn the basics of technical analysis, risk management, and psychology to gain a deeper understanding of the markets. The downsides of watching YouTube videos and reading a dozen books is that every creator and author has their own trading style. I once bought 2 option courses, one for a passive income strategy and the other for a high risk, high reward strategy, and I realized I was trying to learn the baby steps with the most complex or highest advanced type of trading. Start with the basic. Build from the strong foundations and then you can move on to the more advanced techniques. There's a concept called essentialism. The idea by focusing on one thing, you can achieve more growth and success than if you try to prioritize many things at once. In this case, trying to learn crypto trading, option trading, forex all at the same time will hurt you more than it will help you. It seems counterintuitive, but focusing on one specific trading strategy can lead to a greater success than trying to learn to trade multiple strategies at once. As Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." And by the way, education doesn't end after the first week. Education is a lifelong process. So as we go through the next steps, keep in mind, you should continue to learn, but for week 1, don't think about anything else other than learning. Week 2, develop a trading plan. Alright, week 1 is in the books, and on day 8, it's time to take whatever you learn and create a detailed plan that outlines my trading goals, risk management strategies, and trading rules. If I started over, I learned to stick to my plan and make adjustments as needed. Let me illustrate an example. By week 2, let's say you want to be a pattern day trader, and the cup and handle is your go-to setup. The plan will look something like this. I will search for the cup and handle pattern during the pre-market analysis. I will manage this pattern on the 60-minute charts of every moving market, and I will trade this setup only with a minimum 3-to-1 rewards to risk ratio daily. In this scenario, you only make a trade if you see your ideal setup. A trader friend of mine has been living on day trading as income for the past 5 years based on one simple concept. He only trades the bull flag pattern, which is the only trading plan he applies daily. There's nothing wrong with that. And this is what you need to focus in your second week. Establish good habits early on and carry them through the rest of your trading career. Week number 3, practice with a paper money account. Okay. We're halfway to 30 days, we established the basics of trading, but before we start risking real money, we need to start with a demo account. When I first started, I dove into the market head on, and it hurt me in the end. I made a costly mistake and I blew my first account because I didn't spend enough time in a simulator. So if I were to start over, I would begin week 3 by using a demo trading account to practice my trading skills without risking real money. This will allow me to test my strategies and gain experience in a simulated environment. I want to make mistakes. I want to put in as many trades as possible and fail as much as I can so I can learn from the experience. While courses and lessons are good, real experience is priceless. Fail fast and fail often. Collect data for when you go trade real money, and heck, if you need more than a week to trade in a paper account, I highly recommend sticking here for as long as you feel comfortable. To get started, here are some popular trading platforms that offer paper trading accounts: Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, Trading Views, and Chart Swaps. Week number 4, review your performance. All right. Home stretch here. If I was starting my trading journey over and I wanted to learn the basics in 30 days, I would spend my entire final week reviewing my trading performance. After a full week of paper trading, it's time to step back and analyze my successes and failures. Traders can gain valuable insights into what is working well and what needs to be improved. This information can then use to adjust your trading plan and improve your strategy going forward. Additionally, traders should consider keeping a trading journal to document their thoughts and decisions as they trade. This can be a useful tool on reflecting on past trades and identifying areas for improvement. Day 31. Go live with a very small account. At this point, it can be a very nerve-wracking to jump into real money trading, but remember, you've been patient, you've learned the basics. It's okay to feel like you're not 100% ready. No one ever is. Using Thinkorswim, a futures trader can start trading with as low as $1,400 trading a micro futures contract. With Ninja Trader, you can start with as low as $50 trading the same instrument. This is the lowest amount of money that you can start with trading an index that best represent the overall market here. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars in order to trade. My definition of a small account literally starts anywhere from $50 to $1,500. Follow these 5 steps to a T, and in no time, you'll be making money day trading. But knowing the basics is one thing. What about equipment? I made a video here where I go over every part of my trading setup: my computer, my monitor, the desk, all the good stuff. Check it out if you're interested. You want additional tips? Keep following my videos and I'll see you on the next one.